we guide you through how to record payment in Zoho Books. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Zoho Books account and open the Sales section from the left-hand menu. Select Invoices, then find and open the invoices where you received the payment. On the invoice page, click Record Payment, enter the payment date, then choose the payment mode, such as cash, bank transfer, or credit card. Next, select the account where the payment was deposited, if required. Enter the amount received and make sure it matches the invoice balance. If the customer has only paid part of the invoice, enter the partial amount instead. You can also add a reference number or payment note for easier tracking later. Once all the details are correct, review the payment information and click Save. Zoho Books will automatically update the invoice's status and reflect the payment in your accounts. To verify it, return to invoice and check that the recorded payment and remaining balance are correct.